I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Nachos Salsa dip. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, a small bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapenos for a little kick. Don't forget a couple of cloves of garlic, the juice of 1 lime, and a half teaspoon of salt. These simple components are the foundation of a fantastic homemade salsa. Now let's get to the preparation. First, finely dice your 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, and 1 or 2 jalapenos. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapenos if you prefer less heat. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic and chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Once everything is finely chopped, gently combine all these vibrant ingredients in a spacious mixing bowl. This step is crucial for an even distribution of flavors. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to bring out those amazing flavors. Squeeze the fresh juice from 1 whole lime directly over your chopped vegetables. Then, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give everything a good, gentle stir to ensure all the flavors meld together beautifully. For the best taste, cover the bowl and let your salsa rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Your homemade Nachos Salsa dip is now ready to be enjoyed. This fresh and flavorful salsa is perfect with a generous bowl of crispy tortilla chips. It also makes a fantastic topping for your favorite tacos, burritos, or even grilled chicken. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.